Maggie to the rescue!
Hey everybody, as you can imagine, Maggie's very excited about Christmas. Thank you, Maggie. You can have a seat. Here, you can keep the angel company. So I love vintage Christmas stuff. Do you see this little angel? Isn't that wonderful? And let's see, this is someone who puts together vintage things. Isn't that cute? And this Santa, a friend and I bought these at the exact same time, so she has one too, and I think that's really neat that we both have one. Anyway, so the reason I have this doll out is because I think I'm going to try to dress Maggie in it. It's the only outfit I have that's even close to anything Christmassy, but this was a doll in one of my thrift hauls. Actually, it was an antique mall haul, and she was in a more old-fashioned outfit, and I just thought this was cute. It looks like a little Madame Alexander hat, I think. But the main thing I'm going to do today is get Miss Tiny Tears into a little snowsuit. So I ordered this on eBay by someone who makes them. Super excited. Aw, there's a note. Thank you so much for your purchase of the handmade crochet snowsuit. I hope you enjoyed as much as I did making it. That is so sweet. Oh my gosh, look at these. Oh, that's so sweet. Little pants. And little jacket. Oh my gosh, look at the little buttons. Softest yarn. Beautiful. And little booties. Oh, that's so cute. And here's the hat. Oh. All right, I'm going to dress Tiny Tears in this now. And I know this is too big for Maggie, but she's used to that. Be sure to watch my Tiny Tears rescue. She was in terrible condition when I got her, so you'll see how I got the stains off, which was kind of miraculous. I can't believe it worked out. Isn't she the cutest? Boy, did they know how to make cute faces. She has her own booties with this outfit, so I can put these to the side. Okay, I'm going to put her pants on first. I'm going to keep her diaper on because, you know, you never know. It's so fun having something new that I don't have to wash or worry about. I'm so used to having to rescue everything. A little treat for Tiny Tears. Look at these little buttons. That's so impressive. Oh my gosh, this is looking so cute. I can't even take it. All right, Maggie, are you ready for her to put her bonnet on? Here you go. Oh my God. That is so cute. How freaking cute is that? I seriously can't even take it. So let's see, she can hold a little ornament. And Maggie, you can come over here. Her lap. Maggie likes to be barefoot. She runs around barefoot all the time. And then I decided that she just gets a wreath because she is a Christmas fairy and she just likes to frolic around like this. So I hope you all have a very cozy, wonderful, beautiful Christmas or holiday, and hope everybody has a very happy, safe, wonderful, doll-filled New Year. Thanks, everybody. Bye.
Like and subscribe. Thank you.